Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you one of the easiest ways to start making money online starting today. All right, so what I'm telling you is by the time you get done watching this video, you will be all set up and ready to start earning a recurring income online. So like I just said, I want you to follow along. So by the time you get done with this video, you should be good to go. All right, so watch this whole video and you'll be ready to start making passive income. All right, so first of all, what are we gonna be doing to earn this easy money? It's very, very simple. We're just gonna be sharing a free app with people. All right, that's it. That's it. You're going to share an app with people you know, people on your social media, people online. You're going to share a free app. So what is this app? It's called Instant Recall. Now this app been around a couple years and it's very popular, right? And it's getting a lot more popular due to this earning potential now that you can get from sharing this app. So Instant Recall, it basically it allows its users to track where you go, where you've been and things like that, and you'll actually be able to bring it up on your phone. So say you went to a restaurant and you really liked it, you can pin that restaurant, and then like if you want to remember it in a couple months, a year from now, you could actually bring up like, oh yeah, that was the restaurant, blah blah blah, right? So it basically allows its user to track where they've been. Now the company actually is a data company, right? So they are collecting your data and they're using it for research and all that stuff. So before you say, oh hell no, the government tracking me, I no. First of all, listen, let's just keep it real. Your phone is already being tracked now. You know it, I know it, we all know it. How you think Facebook know where you at? How do you think Instagram know where you're at? It's already being tracked, so why not get paid for it? Facebook isn't paying you, right, to have all your information. Instagram is not paying you to get all the information, and they're sharing it with people. So this is your opportunity to actually turn that into a home business and turn it into a passive income. All right, so that's what Instant Recall is all about, right? But I'm about to share with you how you can turn $4 into over $5,000 monthly. You understand what I'm saying? Monthly. All right, it's easy to do, but it's gonna be a grind. All right, so this is what you need to do to get started. All right, now let me just say this before I jump into it. You might be thinking, well, whoa, free app, and you said turn $4 into over 5,000. All right, here's the deal. It's a free app that you're sharing with people. Free, absolutely free. But for you to be able to collect payments, right, from the app, you have to get a subscription, which is $3.99. You can pay for that with your debit card, credit card, PayPal, or you could even get it billed through your phone company. All right, this $4 a month fee is just to allow you to be basically an affiliate, and you can actually earn on the free downloads that you get out. So if you're not willing to spend $3.99 to be able to receive thousands of dollars monthly, then leave the video. It's all good. Don't mess with this. This ain't for you. But if you're like, wait a minute, that's only $1 a week. I can run a little online side hustle for $1 a week. If you on that, then keep watching this video. All right, here we go. First thing you need to do is grab your phone. All right, we're gonna do this right now. Grab your phone. All right, you got it? All right, boom. You wanna go to your phone, go to your Play Store, whatever you use. Is it, you got Android, go to your Play Store, you use iTunes, whatever you use to download apps, all right? Next thing you need to do is find the Instant Recall. Do a search for Instant Recall app. It looks just like this right here. Look for that logo, right? Boom. Now download the app. All right. Now, at any given time, you need to pause this video to do these steps, because we setting you up right now. You getting set up right now. All right. So the app should be downloading. If you need to pause this video, do what you got to do. I'm giving you time to stall for the app to download. All right. So boom, say the app is downloaded. Now you're probably going to see a prompt. Well, actually, you're going to need to create an account. All right. So take a couple minutes. It should take you 2 minutes. Create an account. Put in your email, your username, whatever. Create a password. You know how to do that. All right. Now that you have an account, it's all set up. You probably see a page that says, you know, get your subscription, $3.99. It's going to give you options to pay for it. You could always go back to this later if you want. You don't have to do it now, but if you want to do it now, it should take you a couple minutes. Just however you want to set up your subscription, you know, $3.99 a month, you'll be billed. Do that right now. All right, now you're going to see a point where it says put in a refer code. Okay, so that code, of course, it's your boys. All right, and I appreciate you using it. So right now you want to put in, I always make it all caps, but capital EARL, the number 2, capital G, and 1. Earl 2G1. Put that in right now as your referral. Bam. That's it. You are all set up and you are ready. You are ready to start building a huge passive income by just sharing the downloads with people. So when you look into your app right now, you'll be able to see where you can go in and you can start inviting people right now to this app. For every person that you get to download this app, right? And they're gonna equal 20 points. 20 points is $1. Right? So if you're not subscribed yet to the $3.99 subscription to be an affiliate, you're not going to be able to earn money. So if you skip that step and you're excited and you're all set up and you don't have a subscription yet, do it right now. Don't let the time wait. Get set up because you're ready to start earning easy money and it's recurring income. All right. So right now, just in case you're wondering, like, come on, dude, you said I only get $1 per download. How the hell am I going to get to $5,000 a month, right? Giving away this app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this video out. I'm going to share with you another YouTuber and they explain how you can make up to $5,000 a month. And actually they even show you how you can earn a lot more than that. So watch this video. And when you get done watching this video, damn it, listen, take action. Take action right after you watch this video. Send out your first invites and start earning this recurring income. All right. Don't hesitate. Take action now. By the way, the download link to Instant Recall and my referral code is at the very beginning of this description. So check it out.
Well, here's what I've been telling people, and it's just been exploding. I tell people like, hey, you know, over the next 30, 60, 90 days, what if I could show you a good, genuine way to make over $5,000 a month? And all you have to do is download an app and get other people to download the app. So if you want to make over $5,000 a month, you just find 10 people who download the app, and every person you get to download, tell them to do the same. Just say, hey, go find 10 people to download this app, right? And you can even show them this video, and it's going to do all the explaining for you. So you can send people this video, say, hey, watch this video. Afterwards, trust me, you'll download my app. 10, getting 10, getting 10, getting 10. As you can see, that's over $5,600 a month, right? The extra $60,000 plus coming to your household, that should change a lot, right? I think, now let's get a little crazy. What if everyone went out and got 25 people to download this app? Remember, you get paid monthly for keeping this app. That's over $203,000 a month just for everyone getting 25, right? So if you don't believe those numbers, go down to 10, right? So the power of 10, but I'm going for the gusto. And here's what I love. You know, at 50, if everyone just went out and got 50 people to download this app, that's over $3.1 million. And I'm telling you, when you see this, I know a lot of you guys is like, this can't be real. One thing I'm excited about is I have a personal relationship with the gentleman who has a long-term relationship with the founders. And he says, Frank, these guys are gold. They are grandfathers, fathers. They are Christian guys. These are guys who are legitimate. He says they're not going to scam anyone. So I can stand behind the guy I know. He's standing behind those guys. So I'm excited about this. Now, this could be the biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind. I think this is the biggest no-brainer. If you love doing what you're doing, keep doing it. This is not to distract you from that, but I think it's so easy. Just do the simple 10 plan. Give away a free app. It's no cost now or ever to 10 people, and just tell everybody to do that, and you're over $5,600 each month.